We've been teasing it for a while now, but we're finally ready to reveal what we've been building for the past year. Today, we're excited to introduce Unified. Unified will be a place for organizers, activists, and anyone else building a more progressive world. It will combine a powerful suite of organizing tools with a fully featured social network. Our new platform will give you the power to build or join communities committed to issues important to you and take action right away to make a difference. Why the name change? The past year and a half, we've talked to hundreds of organizers and activists across the country. You told us what really made a difference was connection. Connection to our neighbors we hadn't met yet, the protest buddies that kept us safe, and the family that genuinely wanted to listen. Real organizing is about bringing people together and building something bigger than ourselves. The past 1 to 2 years has made this more clear. If we truly want to build a more progressive society, we have to bring everyone's communities together. We're building a platform that will help you do that, and we think Unified is the perfect name to represent us all. Over the next few months, we'll be previewing the amazing features that will be in Unified. Each week, we will announce one of those features and provide a deep dive into how it works and how it can help you. It all comes together in an official launch in 2022. Most importantly, we want you to be a part of this. We're continuing to interview and get feedback from people across the country. To get early access to Unified and give your input, go to joinunified.us and sign up today. You'll be a part of our growing community of organizers and activists who are building a better future together.